Now, it has 10% of the world's proven oil reserves and the second largest reserves of natural gas, but Iran's economy is struggling. Years of mismanagement and international sanctions have slowed economic growth, and unemployment is thought to be much higher than the government's official estimate of 11%. Now, while Iran's economy grew by just over 7% in 2003, this year it is expected to be much lower, 4.3%. The economy has become vulnerable to Iran's turbulent politics. The stock market lost 30% of its value when the conservative Mahmoud Ahmadinejad was elected president. But in the same period, inflation's rocketed from 13 to 17%, though rampant inflation has always been an issue for Iran. Well, rising discontent over Iran's faltering economy could be one of the biggest challenges to Ahmadinejad's rule, as Alireza Ronaghi reports.
Iranian money is losing its value on a daily basis. While people may be getting used to inflation and high prices, there is still concern as to when and if things are going to get better. Halfway through his 4-year term, it appears President Ahmadinejad has had more success on the international stage than he has handling the domestic economy. His supporters were relying on his promise to put the oil wealth back into the pockets of the people. The government remains confident and denies any problems despite growing social discontent.
It's a total disaster. It can't be described by words. We've got nothing left. The prices of apartments have gone sky high, like all the other prices. Take a look at the price tags here. People can't buy anything.
I remember that once everyone's tables were filled with sweets and fruits. But right now they may buy only a kilo of fruit if they're having a party. If their children ask for something, they're forced to say we can't buy it because it's too expensive.
Experts say that Iran's stock market is a good reflection of the country's economic reality. The Tehran Stock Exchange is worth about $43 billion. Stock prices have declined to their lowest ever, indicating lack of confidence and unwillingness to invest.
Most of the brokers here describe the market as calm or silent these days, and what is felt is a stagnant air of frustrated anticipation for a bigger profit. Here on Tehran Stock Exchange grounds, silence and calm are definitely not good signs.
The government has tried to revive the market by privatizing state industries like steel and offering the public block shares. But there are few buyers. People want more certainty in economic and foreign policies.
People don't know exactly what would happen next, specifically with the problems rise with the nuclear case of Iran and the probability of economic sanctions which would impose to Iran in the near future.
Unwilling to take the risk, people leave the stock market's halls, mostly empty-handed. President Ahmadinejad's time is running out, and he has a hard choice to make. Spend more to stabilize markets and prices, or take a risk and launch long-term economic reform. Either way, the stakes are high. Alireza Ronaghi, Al Jazeera, Tehran.